Yesterday we showed that our rond de jambes can go front to the back and back to the front, making a circular motion. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about that terminology. We don't use the terms clockwise or counterclockwise all that often in dance. We traditionally use the terms on dehors and on dedans. So the first rond de jambe set that we will often do will be the on dehors set. So we are going outside, we're going to the outside of our leg to take it from the front to the back. When we're going the other direction, then we're going inside. So we're going to the inside of our thigh, and that is our on dedans direction. One of the tricks to help remember which one's which is the saying that we all tend to use would be on dehors, out the door. You're going to the outside of that leg. These two terms are really important when you're working your rond de jambes and certain other terms. So pirouettes, we use the term on dehors when we turn outside, and we use the term on dedans as we turn inside. I hope this helps sort out which one's which, and it kind of makes a little bit more sense. It takes some time understanding and remembering which one's which, and just a lot of practice, so have patience with them. Be sure to check back tomorrow. I will see you then.